Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can duplicate a Word page multiple times. So I will show you one time how to duplicate that page, but it's fine, you can print or duplicate unlimited times. So here this is a Word file and I have one page. I want to duplicate this page to the second page. Generally, if we try to do it regular way, some of the formats are missing, or the empty line or tab lines, those are not copied properly. So at first we need to enable the empty space or lines or tabs, something like that. In Word, if we come to the home tab, and then we'll find one section under paragraph is there. So this section is called paragraph, and there is a show or hide some empty space is icon is there. We just need to click here, and then we'll see this type of symbol has been inserted. So that means these are the empty lines or empty space or tabs. So you see that this page also has this number of empty lines. So now we can copy it very easily with by format. So what we need to do, we have to click our cursor over there where the first empty space is there, and then I'm going to select everything. You can select either mouse or you can select by keyboard also. Okay, then right click and I'm going to copy it, and once it is copied, then we have to come to the first empty space of the second page, and then we can right click and we can put the paste over there, and it will paste everything over there. Now see, it's copied exactly like that. I can show you very easily. Let's go to the view and then choose multiple pages, and everything will be shown like this way. And now see, this page and this page is duplicated exactly with the format. Once you complete that, it's time to disable this icon from the Word document. So I'm going to click the home tab again, and then I have to press this thing, and now all the empty space or tab icons are removed properly. And that's it. It's so easy and simple. In this way we can easily duplicate Word pages multiple times. Thank you guys for watching the video.